In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove people from a Slack channel. If you found yourself in a situation where you need to manage your team more effectively by reorganizing your Slack workspace participants, this is the guide for you. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding of how to seamlessly manage your channel's membership. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Slack homepage. This should be your main entry point to the app, where you can see all the different workspaces you're part of. From here, select the workspace that contains the channel you're looking to manage. This is important because each workspace can have its own set of channels and members, and you'll want to make sure you're operating within the correct environment. Once you've selected your workspace, it's time to identify the specific channel you wish to modify. Click on the channel to enter it. This will bring up the main view of the channel, showing all recent messages and various options related to that particular channel. It's in this space where most of the management tasks take place. Next, you'll want to take a closer look at the channel members. You can do this by clicking on the View All Members option, which will display a list of everyone currently in the channel. This gives you the opportunity to verify and decide who should remain and who might need to be removed for organizational reasons. Now, to proceed with removing someone, look for the three-dot icon associated with the member you want to remove. Clicking on this icon will open a menu with various actions. One of these options will be the function needed to remove someone from the channel manager's list. This step ensures that only those who need administrative access have it. Confirm the removal by clicking on Remove from Channel Managers. This step might seem redundant, but it's a crucial confirmation to prevent accidental removals. Your action here will ensure that the person is no longer part of the channel in the capacity of a manager or entirely based on the previous menu choices. Finally, if you find that you need to add the person back into the channel, perhaps after a re-evaluation, you can easily do so by sending them an invitation. Slack makes it simple to reinstate members if necessary, so don't worry if you make a change that needs reversing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Slack channel members. It's a straightforward process once you know where to go and what to click, ensuring that your team's efficiency is maximized and only the necessary personnel have access. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful Slack tips and tricks.